The winter chill is starting to give way to warmer temperatures, so here's some tips from your friends at 1 Hour Heating and Air Conditioning to help keep you cool as the temperatures heat up and help you save money along the way. Check for leaks and drafts. Now's a good time to seal those up to help you keep your cool air in. Consider your decorating. Window coverings like blinds and draperies can help keep the sun out. According to the Department of Energy, some blinds can reduce heat by about 45%, and some draperies can reduce heat gain by about 33%. Use ceiling fans to help keep cool, but remember to turn them off when you leave the room. Fans cool people, not rooms. Another idea, install a programmable thermostat. You can program it to automatically raise the temperature when you're not at home or sleeping. Some new digital Wi-Fi thermostats even allow you to control the temperature while you're away with a simple app on your smartphone. Clean or replace your air conditioning filters every month or as recommended by your system's manufacturer. Clogged or dirty filters decrease your system's efficiency. And schedule regular maintenance with 1 Hour Heating and Air Conditioning. A professional technician can make sure all your components are operating properly and can detect problems early.